How was my makeup today? Pretty good? We're out here working on some stuff to get ready to go. Got the planter washed up. We're washing up the finisher back over here. Got some parts to replace on that, and we're gonna get going. All right, we got that washed up. It's ready to get dirty again, and got some parts replaced on it, some bearings. There's a wheel that's got some string wrapped around it that I'm gonna go and clean out right now. This is what I need to work out here. This is just stuff that comes off of bales, hay bales. It gets in your manure and spread into the fields, and then it gets wrapped around stuff like this. So I'm gonna tear that out. There we go. So if you guys are wondering why I'm always looking over here, my camera has a screen that flips out so that I can see what I'm looking at, so I can see what I'm filming. So I'm working on that. I gotta look at the lens, not at that. But it's hard getting used to. Now I need to fill up this tractor with diesel, get it ready to go. So you guys remember all the fuel I ordered from last week's video? We put 750 gallons in this tank, and this tractor takes 350 per fill. So we will go through that fairly quick. Whoops. Somebody that replaced that filter didn't screw in the cap on the end. This has a little screw out stopper on the bottom that was all the way up, which is open. So now I unscrewed it, so it shouldn't leak. Let's try it. Good to go. This tractor's getting all new filters. We're doing oil filter, fuel filters, hydraulic filters. I'm just looking to see how much oil the engine takes, and we'll get them all changed. be a farmer and be scared of mud and dirt and oil. It gets on you. All right, now we're changing the hydraulic filters. I am under the track here. I'll show you where those are on this tractor. Down in, it's this white one and this white one back here. So I got to change both of those. There was this shield on that I had to take off all the way around here just to get to these. So these haven't been changed since 14. So they're probably due.
Which way are you going?
Well, so should go that.
No, that's tight.
This way.
That way.
Well, then they're real tight now.
There you go. What was the date on that?
14.
I think it needed to change.
Yep.
Well, oh yeah, there's two of them in there.
Yep.
All right. You replace this one on the back?
Yeah. That's hydraulic too, I think.
Yeah, it's coming off the equipment.
So one of these is for the tractor and one's for equipment. So it said in the book. We are running. We are doing some tillage and getting ready for planting. Hopefully tomorrow we'll be able to do some planting and get going. The ground is really dried up in the last couple days and over the weekend, so we're able to get out and go and get some tillage done. We spent all day working on this tractor and the finisher behind me. We had to do some welding on it, and we changed all the filters and washed everything and got everything ready to go. So we're out here trying it, and it looks like it's working good, so we're gonna keep going. This here is what is driving the tractor right now. I am not touching the steering wheel at all. We're using auto guidance, GPS guidance. So the little green arrow there is us, and the line is what we're following by GPS. It's telling us how fast we're going. This takes a lot of the fatigue out of the operator, makes our lines a lot straighter. It's just a big help in efficiency and helping us get stuff done quicker. So we are on some bean ground that's going to corn, meaning we're going to plant corn here. There was beans last year, and in our rotation we go beans and then corn and rotate every year. So wherever there was corn last year will be beans, and wherever there was beans, there'll be corn this year. I want to show you guys where we're at today. We are at what we call the church farm. There it is. There is the church that I grew up in, and we farm right around it. Have any questions about what we're doing today, drop them in the comments below. I do answer every comment I get, and if you have any questions or suggestions or anything at all, just throw it down in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Well, I'm sitting in my office editing this video and I realized that it didn't record audio on this clip here. I think what I was saying here was that I'm just going to end the video here today. It was a long day. I know this video is getting uploaded a little late, but we're pretty busy, so it's hard to find time to edit video right now. So I hope you enjoyed this video. There's going to be more of our tractors and us in the field. I've got a bunch of stuff filmed already. I just need to get it edited and put together for you. But look for another video again, maybe even 2 next week. We'll see. Thanks for watching, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and get notified when I post new videos. Hit that like button, and we'll catch you on the next one.